Are you struggling with the decision of whether to paint, reface, or replace your old, worn, and dated kitchen cabinets? You're not alone. When it comes to refreshing your kitchen, there's a lot to consider. How much will it cost? How long will it take? How will it look when it's done? Even questions about durability and how your choice could affect your home's equity are important considerations. Today, we delve into the world of kitchen cabinetry and the 3 basic choices of how best to remodel when it comes to cabinets: painting, refacing, or replacing. Let's dissect each option's pros and cons to help you make the best decision for your kitchen. First up, painting existing cabinets. This approach might be your best bet if your cabinets are of good quality, especially if they have undermount glides, dovetail drawers, and hidden hinges. If you don't have these quality features, keeping your cabinets may be a big mistake. Here's something to consider. Putting expensive quartz or granite countertops on top of cheap, poorly made cabinets may cost you $30,000, even $50,000 at resale. However, it's worth noting that a proper paint job doesn't come cheap. It's a meticulous process involving sanding, priming, and painting the doors and drawer fronts. Expect to shell out somewhere between $5,000 and $8,000 and set aside 1 to 2 weeks for this task. Beware though, a hasty or poorly done paint job can lead to peeling or wear within the first year. So, while painting your cabinets right may be expensive, doing it wrong can cost you even more. Next, we have refacing. This is essentially a kitchen facelift, where your old doors and drawer fronts get replaced with new updated cabinet styles. Your existing cabinet boxes get a facelift too, with wood skins or a fresh coat of primer and paint to match your new doors and drawers. Here's a little industry secret. The first 3/4 of an inch of a cabinet, which includes the doors and drawer fronts, accounts for about 75% of a cabinet's cost. So refacing isn't a low-budget option. An average kitchen cabinet reface for the cabinets alone will set you back between $10,000 and $15,000 just for the cabinets. Finally, we come to the last option: brand new cabinetry. This choice is straightforward and popular for a reason. It's simple: out with the old, in with the new. New cabinets, depending on your design preferences, can cost between $10,000 and $20,000 or more. Installing all new cabinets does allow you to change the design and configuration, as well as add storage and custom features. In summary, each option has its merits and drawbacks. Painting is cost-effective but time-consuming and requires meticulous work. Refacing offers a fresh look but will cost you a lot more than most people think. Replacing with all new cabinets is straightforward and popular, but the cost will be a bit more than refacing depending on your design choices. So, there you have it. A comprehensive look at painting, refacing, and replacing kitchen cabinets. As you mull over your kitchen renovation plans, remember that it's about finding the balance between aesthetics, functionality, and budget. Whichever path you choose, your kitchen is on its way to becoming a refreshed and revitalized space. For more ideas and inspiration on your kitchen remodel, go to luxurykitchenbathexpress.com.